Hi guys, welcome back to Raptor's Garage. Well, it's only a short video today, just an unboxing fitting video of the Armadillo roof tent. Now if you've watched the video before this, I was at Calmarsh, which was wet, horrible and miserable most of the time, but the company was good, and thanks to the guys at Cheshire Land Rover Club. But in this video we're going to be putting this on. It's just a bit of an unboxing video, a little bit of fitting, because we've all done it all before when we did Chris's video on his Tough Tracks roof tent, and fitting's pretty much identical. So that's all I'm going to do, unbox it, show you what's in it, get it on the truck. Right, let's get it unboxed. That's heavier than it looks. Oh! Now I have ripped the box open because it was soaking wet when we got back, because if you saw the video we just ratchet strapped this to the roof of the truck. So what I'm going to do first is, it says in the instructions to put the mounting rails on, but they're inside the tent, so I've got to open it up and we'll have a look at it. But I'm going to chuck some cardboard and stuff down because the Mitsubishi peed oil all over the floor. Right, let's get on with this. I'm going to get some help. Hang on, I'm going to get some help. First job, read the instructions. Second job, get some help because it's bloody heavy. And here comes the help. Come on! He doesn't like being on camera, he's running away. That's it. Now we can just move the tent backwards. Okay. Now what we're doing? Lifting it up. I'm going towards you. Oh, that's awkward. I think that's been packed for a while. That's all the fittings. Oh wow. It's got LED lighting. Didn't know that, guys. Comes with LED lighting. Right. On opening, all I've done is taken the box off this. So this is what we're finding as we open it. Obviously all the normal bits, the runners and all the what's it, but LED lighting, didn't know it came with that. Fluorescent guide ropes. A spanner set for assembly, so it comes with a full spanner set. Obviously the fixings, the ladder bits, heavy duty pegs, and all the nuts and bolts and fixings. Basically everything you need to assemble it is in the bag. But yeah, that's cool. It comes with lighting, didn't know that. So up to you. Definitely a thumbs up with this tent so far. Right, we'll carry on unpacking it. The room, the awning room and everything, and the ladders and all the other bits come packed on the inside. And you know, first impressions, they're all good. They seem good quality. They're bloody heavy. But yeah, so back on putting this together. 4 of these. These are what mount it to your roof rack, roof bars, whatever you've got on your truck. Basically they're just little pinch bars. You know, they go in that runner, slide through, you bolt them down and that holds them in place. That's dead easy. There's 4 bolts, so there's 4 holes. So they're the 4 bolts that hold that on, and there's there for the ladders, and they come with the bolts in them, except for that one that just dropped off. It says it comes with 2 spanners. This has actually got 3, 2 guy ropes, 2 more pegs, and it actually says it comes with an instruction manual. So how do you know if you haven't got the instruction manual? And they fit that way. Right. So you've just got to work out which way. Now we ended up cutting Chris's bars down to fit his because of the way it went on his truck. So I'm just trying to think which way I'm going to have this on mine. So it's going to open. That's going to be fixed. It's going to be the bottom. So mine need to go that way. So I don't need to cut these. They're just going that way. That's that one started. Slide that one into place. Now you're not going to have to brolly these down that tight, I wouldn't have thought. Sorted. That's that one on. And they aren't too hard to do. But I've done the underside bars. They weren't hard, more fiddly than hard. So all I've got to do now is put the ladder on. And if Lloyd chucks me the instructions, I'll know which way around to put these. So no, they're going to go that way. So they put that way, they'd stab you. But we had this when we did Chris's, that the instructions are vague. They go for vague instructions. You don't care, do you? No. They're like 9 though. Do you read Chinese?
A little bit.
Glad you can read Chinese.
Why is it Chinese? Why? Where's the English one?
No, it's just in Chinese.
Does it not come with that originally?
That's
Is it like an add-on? Or did they change the ladder?
No, it just comes in Chinese.
No, they just outsourced the ladders to the Chinese.
Must have.
What the hell?
Right, that's 2 different roof tents we've done, and they all need the instructions working on. So there you go, guys. All these roof tents all need the instructions working on because they're just not very good.
Is that in Chinese as well?
The instructions on the letters are in Chinese as well.
What the hell?
So if you're putting these together, first thing you need to do is learn Mandarin. Hit Mandarin it help. Okay, now for the hard bit, we've got to get out on the roof of the truck. Back. That's right, you've got the right bit. Yeah. That's it. Hang on, we're caught. Right. Lean it down. Right. Fall off the roof. Come here. it up. You're gonna have to lift it that far then.
Would it fall off?
No. The first look at the 1.4 Armadillo roof tent. Still got a bit more work to do on it yet. We've got to put all the tracking in for the external cover. But there you go. What we're going to do now is get this all together and do a side-by-side comparison with Chrissy's new roof tent. So that'll be on another video. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.